Not every broker is good for day trading. A proper day trading platform should offer fast order execution, low spreads and commissions, stable servers, advanced charting tools, and access to real market data. For active traders, even small delays or high fees can make a big difference over time. Some platforms are better for beginners. Others are designed for professional traders using advanced strategies like scalping or algorithmic trading. Interactive Brokers is considered one of the best platforms for serious day traders in Europe. It offers direct market access, very low commissions, pre-market and after-hours trading, and access to global markets. Many professional traders use interactive brokers because execution speed is excellent. XTB is one of the most popular trading platforms in Europe. Its XStation 5 platform is clean, fast, and beginner-friendly. XTB is popular because it combines easy navigation, strong charting tools, and fast execution. Saxo Bank is a premium trading platform based in Denmark. It's designed for more advanced traders who want professional tools and high platform stability. The interface is modern and professional, but fees are usually higher compared to low-cost brokers. Trading 212 is one of the easiest platforms for beginners. It offers commission-free trading, fractional shares, and very simple mobile app. The platform is designed for ease of use rather than advanced trading. That means it is great for learning the basics, but not ideal for heavy scalping or professional level execution. Pepperstone is especially popular among Forex and scalping traders. Pepperstone focuses on ultra-fast execution, low spreads, and low latency trading. It's a strong choice for active Forex traders, but less ideal for long-term stock investing. So which platform is best? If you're a beginner, Trading 212 is probably the easiest place to start. If you want a balance between simplicity and serious trading tools, XTB is a strong option. If you're planning to become a professional day trader, Interactive Brokers is usually the best long-term choice. And for scalping and Forex, Pepperstone is one of the strongest platforms available in Europe. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe for more trading tutorials, platforms comparisons, and beginner-friendly investing guides. And comment below which trading platform are you currently using. Thank you for watching.